You think your hair's falling because of genetics? Bro, that's the excuse average people make. The truth, it's your lazy habits. But today, we're ending that. This isn't one of those miracle oil videos. No fake hacks, no clickbait, just straight up, scientifically proven hair growth tactics. Morning, night, and weekly. Broken down. And yeah, this shit actually works. Morning routine. Start strong. Don't skip this. First rule, stop burning your scalp with hot showers. Cold or lukewarm water. Every day. Why? Because heat inflames the scalp and weakens follicles. Cold water boosts blood flow. Simple. Real. Next, caffeine shampoo. But here's what they don't tell you. Massage it in. Leave for 2 to 3 minutes. Use it just 2 to 3 times a week. Combine it with ketoconazole and biotin. That's the real power trio. You shampoo daily? Bro, you're stripping your scalp raw. You're not cleaning it, you're killing it. Now the game changer. Rosemary oil. 5 drops plus carrier oil, jojoba or coconut. Apply directly to scalp, daily. Proven to be as effective as minoxidil, but without the side effects. If you do just this one thing, rosemary oil daily, you'll see results in 60 to 90 days, but only if you're consistent. 2. Night routine, where real growth happens. You want thick, strong hair? It happens when you're asleep, if you prep your scalp right. Derma rolling, ever heard of it? 0.5 millimeter roller, used twice a week. Clean the roller, sanitize it. Roll gently, don't drag. Then hit it with rosemary oil again. Why? Because those micro holes soak up the good stuff 10 times deeper. That's called transdermal absorption. It's real. Scalp massage, non-negotiable. Every night, 5 minutes. Fingertips only, no nails. Boosts circulation, reduces cortisol. That stress hormone that's secretly wrecking your hair. Want to grow hair? Chill out. Hair doesn't grow in chaos. It grows in calm. Supplements? Yes, but no fairy tales. Biotin, 10,000 micrograms. Marine collagen, especially if your diet sucks. Zinc, D3, B complex, bonus points. Take them at night for max absorption. Chakrashur. 3. Weekly routine. This separates winners from quitters. If you're serious, you're doing this weekly. Amla or clay scalp detox mask removes buildup, unclogs follicles. Do it once a week, max. Mix 1 tablespoon clay, amla, plus ACV, plus tea tree oil. High protein diet. Hair, keratin, protein. No protein equals no growth. Eggs, paneer, chicken, nuts, dal. Simple. No excuses. Track results. Take pictures. Same lighting, same angle, weekly. You won't see it daily, but 30 to 60 day comparisons? Mind-blowing. 4. What's killing your hair, even if you don't realize it? Let's talk about what's silently wrecking your hairline. Daily gel wax with alcohol. Follicle killer. Tight caps, durag, helmets equals friction equals breakage. Hot water showers equals inflammation. Washing hair daily equals oil imbalance equals flakes and fall. Stress plus low sleep equals cortisol overload equals hair thinning. And please, for the love of growth, stop falling for onion juice and miracle oils from TikTok. Science. Superstition. 5. Why this matters. The psychology of grooming. You're not just fixing your hair, you're fixing how you look at yourself. Better hair, better self-image, better energy. When your grooming's on point, your confidence hits different. People see it. Girls notice it. You feel it. This is looks maxing. Not faking, not filters, just high-effort realness. The guy who looks clean, smells fresh, hair on point, he gets respected. Period. So next time you think it's just hair, remember, it's your damn identity. Chukter. Closing. Time to lock in. You have the tools now, the science, the strategy, but all of it is worthless without consistency. You follow this routine for 90 days, you will see the change, but you gotta earn it.